Hello, hi guys. Myself Advocate Meenakshi Datta, working as law associate in Lexington Company. Today, I want to draw your attention to a topic: whether investing in a property which is already running a business is going to be a good investment or not. So, for example, a person has taken a loan over a property where already Airbnb business has been going on, and he had taken a loan of 1 crore to make the payment of that property of 90 lakh. So, in order to take the said loan of 1 crore, his liability is going to be arose as 80k, and he is making a business of 80k per month. That signifies his liability would be zero. His liability going to be nullified as he is making a payment of 80k per month as a EMI, and in return he is getting a payment of 80k as he is able to make the business of 80k per month. So it shows investing a business over a property which has already running business is going to be a good investment, as he or she is going to make a fixed return of 80k, and his liabilities become zero. So if the investment will not going to be succeeded in 2024, his at worst stage his liability would be up to around 20 or 30,000. Still he has some income of 60 or 70, and if his business is going well, he is able to make profit of 2x. That is, his investment of 1 crore is going to be excelled up to 4 crore, as his property rate is going to be raised up to 4 crore. If his business is going to be profited by 2x, like it's 2 times. So this shows that investing a token of amount in a property which has already running business, successful running business, is going to be a good profitable investment in comparison to the rest type of investment in the market. So thanks for now.